Hey guys, it's Will. Hopefully you're having a great weekend. So we're here in Kauai and I wanted to just kind of show you guys the place and give you guys an update on what we're kind of working on recently. There's a lot of cool stuff happening. I'm actually wearing our Stockmate t-shirt.
Tell them what happened about the Stockmate t-shirts.
What happened? Oh yeah, so we ordered like way too many and our supplier actually cut off orders for a minute because they thought we were doing something like funky. So because we're giving so many Stockmate t-shirts away for free, they thought it was fraud or something. And it was because it was one big order. But now we figured it out, so everybody's gotten their Stockmate t-shirts. If you guys want one, it's the second link in the description. You get one for free. But let's go take a look into the place. It's pretty simple. We almost went with a really big place, but we decided to go with a smaller place. And the home's really nice. It's perfect for Tammy and I. It's like good size. We got a bathroom right here. Nice bathroom.
Wait,
And
close the curtain.
close the curtain.
The curtain of the shower.
They don't care. It's okay. And then it has like a couch, and we got like our bedroom, and we have chairs, and the view out here is pretty nice. We also ordered a bunch of food. We just wanted to eat healthy while we're here, so we have like, what did we get? Like shrimp, chicken, salmon, and beans and rice, and we're basically just having all that as our go-to. And then it's pretty nice. Like the view is good.
It looks so good.
This is our view, which it was really nice in the morning. In the morning it was crazy. You even got some binoculars. So like, if you want to go look at the Jurassic Park mountain over there, there's a bunch of birds. Honestly, it's like something I've always wanted to do is come here. And so it's a perfect opportunity to just come here for the weekend. When it comes to what we're working on, we're trading at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. So we have to trade super early. And then we're still doing that. That's going quite well. It's early, but it's worth it. The market's moving so much right now, especially with everything that's happening with the tariffs. Semiconductors are moving a lot, so that's cool. We're also working, we got some client consulting, which has been going well. So been doing that here, even on the weekends. And so getting some really good results. Even in the down market, which is cool, we still were up 14% this past week, even in a down market. So that was really good. We're also working, I actually want to show them my this setup here. I don't know if you guys want to see it, but this is actually what we do over here. We're mostly working. Like, we went to the beach today. We did some surfing or some boogie boarding, and we got to do a lot of fun stuff, but most of the time we're actually working. So here is what we got going right now, which is really cool. We can actually get a market visualization, and being able to visualize companies and click through. It's kind of like zoomed in too much. There you go. And get projections. So we started working on this software, which has been really great for visualizing markets. It's great for not just myself to be able to see how companies are connected, but also be able to click through and get analysis on these companies in different timeframes for the future, not just the past. So that's cool. We've been working on that software. It's getting scary good. Like, hedge funds rely on algorithms and AI, and we're taking this, and you can interchange different AI models, and it's getting as good as hedge funds. So the big banks, they don't want you to have the tools. You have the tools. You know how you didn't have a camera? Maybe you don't know, but before we could film a video like this, it would cost like $10,000 because you have to purchase a big camera. Music producers used to have to spend thousands of dollars to record a song. Now, when we're looking at this software, this is the type of software that banks pay billions of dollars to build, and we're able to build it for ourselves and for you guys. And it's like a fraction of the cost, which is amazing. So anyway, wanted to give you guys a quick kind of vlog for this. What do we got going? Maybe we end the video right here. What did we do today? What was our week? We're going
We
on
woke
a
up earlier. We went to see the sunrise. We had a really amazing breakfast.
We're going on a helicopter ride.
Probably. Not sure about that.
Yeah, we'll see how the weather is. It's kind of rainy, and also they had a crash in the summer. It has been less than a year.
You
So
want to finish with this background or that one?
let's see. You want to sit next to me? So,
So guys, we have been given so many shirts for free that literally our suppliers was like, you have had suspicious activity. We can't keep doing this. So
is there lightning? Because your hair is so frizzy.
frizzy?
Yeah.
Is that a compliment or bad? I don't know.
It's like just a
Really
fact.
tired.
So guys, essentially we're here for the next week, and we will be doing things like surfing and boogie boarding. We did boogie boarding today. That was intense.
It's so intense.
Yeah, really good waves actually. But for the most part, we're working. For the most part, we're putting out content and also building systems for clients and making some good tools for you guys. So really happy that we're able to also do some traveling. We got to go here to Kauai, which is nice. I've never been to Kauai. Next time, definitely, I like the nature here. But right when you step outside the nature, here, in this part, Princeville, it's a resort, right? So it's nice. But as far as like touristy goes, we actually like going down to the town where it's not so touristy in Honolulu, because it's more like real, like just people. So that's cool. So when it comes down to like taking a trip like this, just really grateful that we're able to do it and how much things have changed in the past few months. I'm really excited to be able to see what types of like results we get from some of these new projects that we're working on. I'm really excited. There's like this bird that's like
There's
flying.
so many birds.
He's flying. There he is, the buddy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you all. If you guys have any desire to get some custom profit plans, also just put together a custom profit plan.
Do I have to be in the video?
And you get it for free if you want. It's the first link in the description. It teaches you, or it's actually AI crafted with my own analysis. So
Hell yeah.
I took my exact advice and everything that I do and think about in the stocks and in other markets. And essentially you tell it all your goals, short-term and long-term, and then it will run all of your answers through an AI that's been prompted with all of my portfolio investments, short-term, long-term, medium-term, and it will give you some recommendations based on your goals. So I invest in stocks, real estate, crypto, and minerals like gold, silver, and things like that. So if you want to get the breakdown, if you have any interest in any of those and the markets of AI, space, tech, any of that, you will get a full plan for how you can invest in get a piece of those markets specifically for your strategy. So
I was trying to escape.
it's the first link down below. Why are you trying to escape?
Because I feel like I'm just like, I'm not doing anything. I'm just...
Yeah, now that I'm holding the camera, but like you were doing a really good job filming.
I was a filmmaker before all of this.
Better job than me holding my arms, getting tired.
I'm so tired. Literally.
We had a long day. We got up at like 6 a.m. this
It
morning.
was amazing.
So, and we watched the sunrise.
We watched the sunrise. We went to the beach twice. But the boogie.
The boogie boarding
like
takes
you
it out
can
of
see
you.
it on him because the way you look like you have like an Instagram filter on.
Yeah, guys, you look very like succulent, like glowing. Hi, kids. We're back here. Just kidding. Yeah, guys, appreciate you all. Thank you so much for watching. And honestly, again, we have a sale going for this weekend. If you guys want to join our live sessions on Monday, it's the Easter sale.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's a special discount, guys, down the second
You
link
finally did it.
in the description if you want to join.
You really thought about that too much, and now you finally did it.
Yeah, I just thought about it. I mean, oh, it's so beautiful. Look outside. That's our view right now. Boosh. Hear the birds. It's nice. All right, guys. Appreciate you all. See you in the next video. Take care.